Hi everyone. My topic is assessment of learning. So first one, assessment is in the context of learning is a process which involves various components, test, measurement and evaluation and assessment. So each components play a different role which helps in the effectiveness of education and understanding the progress of learners. So what is meant by test? So what is the purpose of conducting test in the classroom is to measure the students' knowledge, skills, abilities. So in the particular subject or an area. So the primary purpose of the test is to provide a snapshot of the student's proficiency at a particular point of time. So it can be conducted through various forms such as multiple choice exams, essays, practicals, demonstrations and project assessments. It serves as a tool to quantify and qualify the learner's grasp of contents and their ability to apply it into the real world situations. So for example, in the science subject, the questions may be asked like the questions were in the form of testing the theoretical knowledge, problem solving skill and practical application of scientific principles. So second one is assessment. It's the holistic view. We can simply call it as an holistic view. So it is the process of gathering and analyzing the information about the student's performance. It includes a combination of methods which provide a comprehensive view of a learner's progress. So it can include test, project, presentation, discussion and other tools. So the main purpose of this assessment is not only to measure the knowledge of the student but also to understand the depth and breadth of the student's learning experience. So it goes beyond mere quantification and delve into the qualitative aspects such as critical thinking, creativity and communication skill. So in a classroom setup, assessment can be taken in the form of formative assessment, which means the assessment can be conducted simultaneously during the learning process itself, and summative assessment it should be conducted at the end of the unit or a course. So third one is measurement, assigning value to learning. So it is the component of assessment and it is the process of assigning numbers or scores to represent the extent of the student's knowledge, skills or attributes. It facilitates the comparison of different aspects of learning and aids in objective evaluation. A test serves as a tool to gather data and the score assigned to each response or task become the quantitative representation of a student's performance. So it is for example how the measurement is used in the assessment of learning. Take a student who scored 80% on a maths test indicates a higher level proficiency compared to a student who scored 60%. Evaluation, making informed decision. So we can simply call it as an informed decision making. So it is the process of interpreting and judging assessment data to make informed decisions about the student's performance or the effectiveness of an educational program. So it synthesizes the result of various assessments to gain insight into the overall learning outcomes. So it focuses on assigning values. Evaluation looks at the implication of these values. For example, if a class consistently scores low in a particular area, it may prompt a re-evaluation of teaching strategies or the curriculum. So integration of components. So these test, assessment, measurement, evaluation in the assessment of learnings are interconnected to each other, even though they provide a specific role. They play a specific role. They are merely interconnected to each other. If the teacher can use these four techniques, these four components in the classroom setup in a regular manner, then the teacher can become a more effective and good teacher. So yes, with that we can conclude the component of test, assessment, measurement and evaluation contribute to the ongoing cycle of understanding and improving the learning process. Thank you.